Okay, it's the 23rd. Jake Ludington just pulled the fucking fire alarm. We were all kicked out and had to dump our beer.
It wasn't means you had no ink on the hands.
Good tactic. I'm sure that the Gnomedex 2005 will make the papers now, Jake. He's trying to get wireless unsuccessfully outside. You'd think on the pier in Seattle, technology capital of the frickin' world, there'd be wireless, but no sir.
It's real networks that's down here, not Microsoft, so that's probably why.
We're here amongst thousands of apparent die-hard geeks trying to figure out what blogging and podcasting possibly has in store for us.
What the hell is TiVo casting?
We also heard TiVo casting.
What the hell is that?
In this wacky planet of ours, anything could happen. The perception of video podcasting seems doomed. We are hopefully going to go back in, drink some beer, and get away with something, but it might be over.
It could be a while.
It could be over.